natural health for beginners.
In this step-by-step guide, learn how to craft a nourishing coconut honey lip scrub. This simple yet effective recipe will leave your lips feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. The key ingredients, coconut oil and honey, offer natural moisture and exfoliation while being gentle on delicate skin. Let's dive into the details. Ingredients: coconut oil, 1 tablespoon. Hydrates and locks in moisture, leaving lips soft and smooth. Honey, 1 tablespoon. Acts as a natural humectant and adds antibacterial properties. Brown sugar, 2 tablespoons. Provides gentle exfoliation, removing dead skin cells effectively. Vitamin E oil, optional, 3 to 4 drops. Adds an extra boost of nourishment and helps repair damaged skin. Instructions: measure the ingredients. Take a small mixing bowl and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If using vitamin E oil, add 3 to 4 drops to the bowl. Mix thoroughly. Using a spoon, blend all the ingredients together until you achieve a consistent texture. Ensure the sugar is evenly distributed for effective exfoliation. Transfer to a container. Place the mixture in a small, airtight container for storage. This lip scrub can last for up to 2 weeks if kept in a cool, dry place. How to use: apply a small amount of the scrub to clean, dry lips. Gently massage in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. This process removes dead skin and enhances blood circulation. Wipe off the scrub with a damp cloth or rinse with lukewarm water. Follow up with a lip balm to lock in moisture. Benefits: coconut oil provides deep hydration, perfect for dry or chapped lips. Honey soothes and heals while adding natural sweetness. Brown sugar effectively exfoliates without being harsh. Vitamin E oil promotes lip health and elasticity. Tips: use the lip scrub 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Adjust the sugar quantity if you prefer a finer or coarser scrub. Ensure your container is clean to maintain the product's freshness. This coconut honey lip scrub is a delightful and easy addition to your skincare routine. Give it a try and experience smoother, softer lips instantly. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.